Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My friend Mr. Nugget was playing this game called like Cats Are Liquid on the bus or something like that. He showed it to me and I decided I'd play it for a video. Sorry if you hear like any background noise because I have a heater on. Alright, here's level 1. Oh, hang on. Alright, here's level 1. Whoa! We can go fast in this game. God damn. Oh, I haven't been reading that at all up there. Oh, where do I go? Oh. Spider-Man. There we go. Easy. Oh. I'm guessing I gotta jump over those. And what are those cats in the corner? Are those like my lives? Oh god, there's a cum stain on the wall.
Excuse me, but what the fuck?
Ooh! Jesus Christ, that was so close. But I'm a-okay. Oh! Okay, yeah, see? We're still cool. More cum. Ah! Okay, I got this. Ooh. Oh, so close. Jeez, I gotta be more careful. I almost died like 10 times already. Alright, this looks kind of easy. See? Easy.
Shut your bitch ass up!
Ooh, I have my health back. Oh. It was kind of easy, not gonna lie. Dodged it.
No way!
Come on. Go! Yeah! Boom! Alright. Yeah, this game's easy. Like, how could you even die in this game? Oh! I'm worried. I don't know what's underneath. I'm guessing spikes. Go! Oh no. Go! Okay. Health, please. Yes, let's go. Who the hell?
Who the fuck are you?
Okay. That way? Okay. Bet. Oh, just some kind of race, huh? No, I want to beat you. Oh, you suck. Oh, I'm gonna die. Easy. Now what? What the? Who the fuck are you? Alright, the race. New race has begun. Oh heck, bro! How are you supposed to dodge that? Ooh, easy. Okay, health, yes. How many of us is there? Alright, let's go. What the? I'm guessing I don't want to drop in that pit. Oh, you respawn at the cum stings. Good to know. Easy. Alright. Jump. I think I heal every time I go through a door though, so it's not that bad. Oh! Where am I gonna land? Okay. Wow! Every time I make it there, he just instantly dies. I gotta save 1 health point for this part. Oh no, it doesn't matter. It's an instant kill. I dislike this game. I feel like this is a bit of a rage game. That or I just suck. Okay. Jump at the very end. Okay, that's how you do it. I swear I touched that stuff a second ago, but I still lived. Yes! Okay, nice. Let's go. These guys again. These guys suck. Did they jump on my head? Oh, what the? Oh, whoa. What just happened? Can I jump on those? Oh, I can jump on those. I thought they weren't there. I thought it was just an outline of what used to be there. Okay. I actually gotta be kind of careful here. Fuck. Easy. I like going fast. Oh. Maybe they did leave. Maybe they don't like you, huh? What was that noise? Is there bosses in this game? And I don't know much about this game other than there's a lot of parkour in it. My friend likes it. Oh my god. What the? Oh, I beat the introduction. Oh, can I touch that? Oh, it's sucking.
What do you mean by that?
What? I don't get what that's for. Oh, wait. Oh! You can't move side to side while using it, though. That kind of sucks. Oh, shoot! Oh, crap. Yeah, I don't know how long I'm gonna play this for, but I'll play it for a little while. Ooh, I still dodged it. You know, I jumped into it like an idiot. Work! What was that all about? What the fuck? Bro. Ooh. Alright. Man, it's taking forever. What the heck? Was I supposed to go here? Ooh. I guess I was. What the? Ooh! Okay, those are not good. Am I supposed to be eating that? I just didn't care. I don't think I've read any of it. Which is weird, because usually in games, I like to read all the text. But you know, it's just like, kinda here for the gameplay in this one, not the weird ass story they're trying to incorporate. Oh, it got so low. Wait. Oh, I was trying to jump over it. This see if there's stuff over there. Because there's like the poison stuff. Killsy was over there. Ow. Oh! Bruh. I feel like I've heard this song before. Oh no, I've never seen this game before. Other than my friend was playing it a little bit, but I feel like I know this song. Ooh. And I was really expecting this one to have that too. Okay, that's really good. Is this game hard? Or am I just really, really bad? Or a mixture of both? Okay, did it. What is that? Oh, it's a cannon. Again, let's go. What the heck was that? How many levels have I got? How many levels have I got? Take too long to just kick you out of the cannon. Up in the air. Okay. That was almost bad, but it was. Ooh. Okay, watch this. Oh god, it's finally shanking. Game is just animal abuse. Ah. Oh. Did I glitch or am I supposed to be on the ceiling? What? Finally, I get to progress in this game! What the hell? Oh, I don't like this. Actually, I do like this, it's kinda cool. Can this get any slower? Seriously, come on, speed up. Yeah. Alright, that's pretty cool. Bruh. Excuse me? Oof. What was all that about? Oh my gosh, is this a new Call of Duty game? Oh! Alright, leave! Thank you. That just happened. Did I get a new ability or something? Oh, it shot me! Ah, you suck. I'll try to get up around it. Probably secrets up there, but I don't really care about secrets that much. I'd rather survive. Oh, this is what was up there. Oh, I could skip part of the level. It was super difficult. Okay. Oh no! Yeah, something ain't right about this place. Stop shooting me! What do I do? Ooh, you suck. I was about to try to collect it or something. Ooh. That's definitely enemy. Oh, excuse me? What is this? There's one back there too, but I didn't bother with him. Ah, you suck. Be good, kid. Ooh. Okay, we're good. Okay, there you go. Good. Run through it. Oh, that was interesting. Oh. Well, I'm dead. Oh! Have I been recording for 31 minutes? Dang. Well, might as well keep going now. This video will probably be pretty short once it's edited down and everything. Lies. Ooh, just run through it. I can't get hit again yet! Ooh. Man, this game is hard. You know what? I think that's it for today. Maybe I'll play this game again in the future. It's kind of fun, so I'll probably make a part 2 eventually, but Like if you somehow enjoyed and subscribe for more garbage.